Technical and fundamental ways of analysis of market is totally different, and there might be a correlation in between as per this the scenario goes on. And if you analyze the current situations, you can see day by day the crude oil price is slowly rising, and it was a we the Indian economy is mostly depend upon the crude oil imports, so it will affect our market and the current situations. So as per the fundamentals, I'm not going through this deep inside, but if you check all the now petrol diesel price already high, and even it will be a little more what to call, as per the our honorable prime minister also advised to take some work from home, and even reduce the usage of petrol and diesels. So all if all it's correlated to the market situation, and it's not good view of what to call the rise of market. So if you are doing, or if you are checking anything this, you will comes to know that there will not be like a big what to call rise or sudden spike in the market because of the crude oil, and we cannot see any, we can't predict what will happen in the Iran US situations as well. So the investors are cautious, and the traders, they can only do as per this daily basis. And let's go to check this what we are we can watch the technical part of the trend line view. The last day there was a huge spike of this what to call the technical waves, and I already mentioned 23,664 was the support, and above we will have the target of 740 and 792, 745 to 792 range, and 800. After that in the market I mentioned that 23,838 was the resistance. Only above we will have an upper side, but you can see from here there will be a selling pressure, and in 15 minutes chart if you watch, this is formed like a head and shoulder pattern, and the previous this was the rising channel, and if you adjust slightly to get more intersections, still we have a support here almost 23,610 range. And as per these situations, if you calculate this market close below this almost 23,650, that one also not good, and previous day support 23,664 also broken, and we don't know what will be the next situations. But as for the technical space, I'm a little more cautious on here, because you see these situations, this head and shoulder pattern formed here, and we were a breakdown in 23,690 below. So that's not a good sign of or any positive. I cannot see any positive on this basis. So little negative closing today in the Friday, and once we cross 23,590 below, there will be a fall, little more sharp fall. As it's rise here, there might be a same way of fall we can expect here. So it might be like after this one 23,590 below, there might be like 23,496 500 range fall we can expect, and below we will have a support around 23,448 range. So that will be the 4-hour chart support. So this one is crucial for the next run. So this 4-hour support is a little more crucial, 23,448 range. If we close below, then totally we will have enter into a negative zone. The next intraday support will be 23,398, and below this there is a small support 23,370. Below this we will have 23,285, and this can leads to 250 to 285 to 250 range. So these are the current situations as per this downside movement, and once we cross here the upside 23,690, there might be here it's a lot of selling pressure here. 690 to 740. Then above 740 we can see a little more upside, and the next target will be 23 795 to 800, then 840 above, then 23 896 930. The previous I mentioned that the 930 target, and above that one we have 24027, then 24111. so these are the next expected target as per this trend line base. So you can trade accordingly, and this one is 23 592 is the crucial point for the downside, and 23 740 is the resistance for the upside. So here this will be little more crucial for a selling pressure will come around the 23 690 range. So you can trade as per this levels according, and please mark these levels as well. So now let's go to check the bank nifty. As of now, same, the bank nifty is little slightly close below this support around 53,810 range is the support, and is close below. The next support will be 53,444, then 53,310. Below this one little more weak, and this will touch to 53,130 range. Above this resistance we have 53,925 and 54,150. Then this will be crucial 54,310. Above we can see slightly positive upside, and 54,577 range. So these are the levels for bank nifty. Hope you get an idea about this nifty and bank nifty levels. If you like this video, you can share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And as per technical, I'm not that much of positive for the market for an upside. Only some news can driven the market for upside. Otherwise there will be a lot of selling pressure on the higher side. So better keep this in mind for anyone is doing any long holdings, or in long in the market. So please careful about this one. And all these global tensions are also not in favor of this nifty and bank nifty index for an upside rise. So thank you for watching this video.